Do you want to put text behind objects in your video, like a person or any moving subject? Here's the easiest and most up-to-date way to do it in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and place your video clip on the timeline. Next, add your text by selecting the Type tool, clicking in the Program Monitor, and typing your text. Adjust the font, size, and position so it sits where you want behind the subject. Now go to Effect Controls and use the ellipse mask to draw a mask. Adjust it around the subject you want the text to appear behind. As you can see, the text layer is currently in front of the face, but we want it to look like it's going behind the head. Go over here and click Inverted. As you can see, the text now goes behind the subject, and that's the simplest way to do it. Alternatively, select your video clip, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, and drag the clip upward to duplicate it. Your timeline should now be layered like this: the original video on the bottom, the text in the middle, and the duplicated video on top. Select the top video layer, go to Effect Controls, and choose a Shape tool, or use the ellipse or rectangle mask if the object is simple. Carefully draw a mask around the subject you want to appear in front of the text. Once the mask is created, you're ready to continue. If the subject does not move, you're done. If the subject moves, click the Mask Path stopwatch to enable keyframes. Then click the play button to track the mask automatically. Once it's done, play the clip back and you'll see the text appearing behind the object. So that's how you can easily place an object in front of your text inside Premiere Pro. And if you want to add a few more effects, you can also animate your text. That's how you put text behind objects in Adobe Premiere Pro quickly and cleanly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.